Hey guys, welcome back to Data with Dominic, and today we're going to be looking at how to drop a column or drop multiple columns in a data frame using PySpark. So let's dive into the demo. The environment I'm using is the Databricks Community Edition, and it's an environment that allows you to use or practice PySpark for free. So I'll leave a link to a video of mine that teaches you how to set it up in the top right corner of your screen. And yeah, let's dive into the demo. So what I've done so far is basically just read a CSV to a data frame, and then I'm displayed the data frame so you can get an idea of the data. So we've just got 6 columns: an ID, a first name, a last name, an email, a gender, and an IP address. So if you want to drop this IP address column, what we can use is the .drop function. It's very simple. So here's how we do it. So I'm just going to do df is equal to df.drop, and then within the brackets I'm going to specify in quotes the specific column name that I want dropped. In this case it's IP underscore address. So let's run this. That's done, and the next time we run df and display it, we've lost the IP address column. So suppose we wanted to do it for multiple columns. Here's how we do it. We do df.drop, and we want to delete email and gender. So we can do an email, and then within the same parenthesis you can add a comma and add the next column name, which is gender. So let's run this. That's run, and let's just confirm by checking our data frame. Yep. So as you can see, the .drop function allows you to delete a single column or drop a single column or drop multiple columns in a data frame. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.